In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make Instagram Reels. So be sure to watch the video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by either scrolling to the right or clicking on the plus button at the bottom. I'm just going to go here and scroll to Reel. Now, as you can see, there are a multitude of options that you can use to actually create your reel. Let's go through some of them. First, there is a flash button that you can turn on and off at the top. And next, on the left-hand side, you can choose some music for your reel. You can either use the ones that are on Instagram or you can import at the right side. Next thing that you can do is use actual filters while you're recording. There are trending ones, or you can search any type of filter that you want to use. The next thing that you can do with Reels is you can click on here and change your background. You can also use the next one to actually use these questions and share your answers on your reel. Now, the next option is to actually set a timer for how long you want your reel to be. 15, 30, 60, or 90. The next option is the speed that you want your video to be at. Do you want it in slow-mo? Do you want it fast? You can choose these options. You can also click on layout and change the grid of your reel as well. The next option that you can use is to actually put a timer on. You can count down so that you won't have to hold the record button the whole entire time. There are a multitude of options that you can use to create your reel, and you can also scroll up when you do not have a video yet, and you can use pictures or videos to add to your reel. And that's all there is to it, guys. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.